subscribe to our channel.
6 Home Remedies for Blackheads and Pimples. Acne is one of the most common skin problems in the world. It usually shows up as unsightly blackheads and pimples, or cysts on the face, back, and chest. It's triggered by an infection that's caused by changes in your sebaceous glands, which creates blockages and inflammation in the affected pores of the skin. Blackheads and chronic acne-related problems typically appear during puberty, causing serious self-esteem issues in the people who suffer from them. Nevertheless, this unsightly condition can rear its ugly head at any age, and affects both men and women equally. In today's market, there are countless products and treatments that are designed to reduce the appearance of blackheads and pimples to improve the appearance of your skin. But many of them are expensive, out of the reach of most people. Fortunately, there are also some homemade and natural alternatives that can help you win the battle against acne and leave your skin looking cleaner and more beautiful without hurting your wallet. 1. Baking soda. Baking soda acts as a mild exfoliant for your skin, removing dead skin cells and the excess oil that's clogging your pores. It also helps balance your pH and works as a mild antiseptic as well. Perhaps its greatest advantage is the low price tag, and the fact that you can find baking soda in any store or supermarket. 2. Papaya. Aside from being a delicious and very healthy fruit, papaya is also amazing for the health of your skin, and in fact, it's an active ingredient in a lot of commercial beauty products. Papaya helps remove excess oil from your skin's surface, exfoliating dead skin cells, and fighting the inflammation that pimples and blackheads cause. 3. Green tea. Green tea contains an antioxidant known as epigallocatechin 3 gallate, or EGCG, which has been shown to be very effective in reducing the skin's production of sebum. It also fights the growth of bacteria and associated inflammation. 4. Oats. In addition to being another very healthy food choice, oats are also a natural remedy that promotes healthy skin. They help remove dead skin cells and eliminate excess oils. 5. Cinnamon and honey. The combination of cinnamon and honey is great when it comes to reducing pimples and improving the health of your skin. Cinnamon fights bacteria growth, while honey is a natural antibiotic that disinfects the skin and reduces the inflammation caused by pimples and blackheads. 6. Banana peel. Bananas are a delicious fruit that is loaded with essential nutrients your body needs. But what most people don't know is that the peel of a banana also contains important benefits that can help renew your skin and reduce the appearance of those pimples and blackheads. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.